The Institute for Advanced Learning and Research is committed to improving the region's science, technology, engineering, and math capacity. As part of that effort, we support work-based learning opportunities, specifically internships, that provide career development opportunities in STEM. In 2015, we supported 11 interns during the summer at the Institute, 1 in the Information Technology Department, 1 in the Advanced Learning Department, and 9 through our Research Department.
I'm Eden Gibson. I'm a rising senior at Galileo Magnet High School, and I also attend AET here at the Institute. This summer, I worked under Dr. Da as an intern here at the Institute in the Research Center. My main 3 projects consisted of daylily regeneration and aloha lily regeneration, along with a DNA extraction project. This internship was my first internship here or any job at all. I learned a lot about myself and responsibility throughout this internship. I also took away that I really want to pursue something relating to horticulture and working in a lab. In one of my projects, we had a little bit of a delay. We weren't sure what was happening, but we weren't getting the right outcome. Throughout this failure, I learned a lot about taking good notes and progressing and being very persistent in the project and never giving up. This internship in particular meant something to me because I knew it was something that I wanted to pursue in the future. I already had an interest in it, and by having this experience, I know for a fact now that it's something that I'm passionate about and that I wouldn't mind having a decent career in.
Hi, my name is Jacob Johnson. I'm a student with the Academy of Engineering and Technology here at the Institute of Advanced Learning and Research. I worked with Dr. Yinghui Dan, and my lab technician was Faith Campbell, and I worked on the microtom tomato gene expression project, which basically I took a strain of a control tomato set that was red and 2 mutant strains that were yellow-orange, and I validated that the yellow-orange tomatoes had a decreased level of gene expression on the gene that was for beta-carotenoids and lycopene, and I just kind of validated that they phenotypically expressed that particular gene in that fashion. Kind of my takeaways were that it's really important to take good notes. As I kind of went through the internship, I realized that if I didn't have very specific lab notes, I couldn't recreate my results effectively. So I found myself going back and altering lab notes over and over and over again. And I found that consistency is very important, and also noting things to change. Dr. Dan constantly told me that when I came to a point where my results weren't doing what I wanted them to do, she wanted me to go back and change a particular variable each time. So I also figured out that it's very important to kind of look at your scientific method. How you approach it is just really important. And then I'll be heading back to AET again as a senior this year. I'm planning to wrap up my courses there, take as many AP classes as I can at my base school, and then I hope to attend Virginia Tech in the oncoming fall.
For us as scientists, it's great to work with young and bright students. It gives us enthusiasm, and it's an important part of this program. We work with the students hands-on in the lab, and they gain valuable experience not only for their college work currently, but also in the future for programs that they may be applying for, such as medical school. They also get a taste of what it's like to be in a lab, and it may help them in the future decide whether they want to go into research, which we hope they do, but also into medical school or perhaps another field related.
Hello, my name is Coleman Willis. I'm a senior at Dan River High School. I participated in the internship program here at the Institute in the summer of 2015. I worked under Dr. Da. We worked on projects. Well, I specifically worked on many projects, and one in specific, I was doing a pet lily regeneration project. I would cut up the bulbs of the lilies and put them in several assorted media dishes and see how they regenerated in each individual dish. Each media was different, and we tested the results in a light culture and a dark culture. That means that we had some that were exposed to light and some that were exposed to the dark. And I plan on taking this internship and taking away from the internship that any lab situation in the world is somewhat the same. If you learn the basics here, you can do the basics anywhere else in the world. It is a very valuable and advantageous program that I've been a part of. I plan to take this away and turn it into my major. I'm looking at becoming a biomedical engineer. I really think that this is one of the best internship programs out here available for anybody that is willing to do the work, and it is a great experience overall.